If you notice, all of this is based on data. We are using data and manipulating the data to give some desired output. We have information that's been given to us here. We have the hourly wage, which is 2,000. We have normal working hours per week, which is 40. We have max working hours per week, which is 50. We have minimum working hours per week, which is 1. We have bonus per extra hour, which is 100. What do we do with this? We need to calculate the salary for the week. It's just the hourly rate multiplied by hours worked. So, do we have the hours worked from this description? No, we don't. How do we get the hours worked? I will say hours worked is equals to what? We don't know. Let's say 0 for now. In order to get the hours worked in Python, we do like this. I'll get the user input. This input, please enter the hours worked. I'll put a colon here and it's nice space. And we need to convert this to a float. Hours worked is equal to the float value of user input, like that. And this is when we need to start doing our magic. What is the weekly salary? Should be equal to hourly wage multiplied by hours worked. Simple, isn't it? We can just print this. I'll use the F string way of printing your weekly salary for, I want the curly braces, hours worked. This hours is weekly salary. I'll put the currency franc CFA, like that. Let's run this program and see what happens. Normally, when we're writing programs, I usually, like for every step, try to run it to see what happens. To run this with Visual Studio Code, there are many ways we can run this. But to run with Visual Studio Code, we click on this one icon here. It gives me your weekly salary for 2 hours is 4,000 francs. I do like that, 40, it gives me that value. I do like this, 41, it gives me 42,000. But we saw in the program that there is a bonus for every extra hour after 40. Our output does not give this. The next video, we'll see how to manage this.